Presenting the CL750 di Bobst's compact multi-technology laminator. Different process technologies can be performed using both the rotogravure trolley for solvent-based or cold seal application and the solventless trolley. This compact laminator can work at speeds up to 450 meters per minute and guarantee perfect web handling on a wide range of different substrates. It also enables you to work with web widths as narrow as 400 millimeters. Optimized ergonomics and maximum efficiency grants very fast and easy job setup and changeovers without tools. The double-sided independent movement provides improved safety on reel locking. The easily accessible drying tunnel simplifies maintenance work, and the flat design with motorized rollers provides a straight web path for perfect web transportation of different substrates. It includes solutions for easy maintenance, operation and setup activities, such as the highly efficient motorized web threading system. Tool-free trolley exchange allows simple technology switches for maximum production flexibility. The practical lightweight sleeves make for simple and rapid sleeve changeovers. This tool-free activity makes insertion and extraction effortless. Bobst hallmark lamination technologies include an anti-deflection roller for uniformed lamination pressure, a system of high-precision tension control, and the integrated Bobst Registron scanning head technology, used for cold seal in register applications. Advanced lamination technology distilled into a compact, robust and highly performing solution. Bobst CL750. Compact, easy, powerful.